Welcome, Visa. Hi. Welcome to our live session. Today I am feeling so happy and very much delighted as we are hosting a new Instagram live interview series called as Unstoppable Shaktis Empowered Women Interview Series. I am much excited to interview many empowered unstoppable Shaktis in this interview series to know more about their life experiences and their life success stories. So hope you will find it helpful by getting the various life experiences from different areas of our life, and we are going to have so many guests coming in coming weeks. So I am so excited to host this Unstoppable Shaktis Women Interview Series, and today is the first session, and today we have an incredible guest with us who is joining us as the first guest for our Unstoppable Shaktis interview series. Are you ready for the wisdoms and the life stories to hear from our special guest? Let me first welcome our guest to this session. I'll be sending request to. I have sent the request and we are waiting for her. She is my best friend and a very well-known self-love coach. Yes, thank you, Visalakshi. Thank you, Lata. We are so happy to have you here. Get ready with your questions. So I am waiting for her to join, but we are not able to accept her request. Wait a minute. We are trying for her to join. Yes, she's live now. Hi, honey.
Hi,
Happy to
how are
have
you?
you here.
Congratulations
So
on
much
your first series.
excited to see you here.
Thank you so much for having me here, and so proud of you, and so happy for you, and so happy for me to be here. Hi,
Thank
everyone.
you so much.
Thank you.
You know one thing, we
Yeah.
are hosting this Unstoppable Shaktis from today only, and this is a new series we are having for Empowered Women Interview Series, and I am so happy to have you as my first guest. My sincere gratitude to you.
Honored, and I'm grateful that you're having me here, and congratulations and all the best to invite more and more guests to empower your community the way you're serving them and
Thank
giving
you
them.
so much.
They will surely
Thank you
benefit.
so much, dear. Let me first introduce you a little, then we can hear from you more. Okay. So today we have our incredible guest as our first guest for our Unstoppable Shaktis Empowered Women interview series, Hani Bachani, a self-love and mirror magic coach. She is empowering women to live their to heal their past hurts, to rediscover their authentic selves, and to manifest their lives effortlessly using her mirror magic method. Her mirror magic method is her signature method and is a game changer for every woman. It's a simple yet deeply transformative method which is helping many women to integrate self-love and alignment into their daily lives without a compromise. Are you ready to hear from our friend Honey for her magic and wisdom words? Over to you, Honey. Please introduce yourself. We would like to hear from
Oh
you.
my God. So thank you for those kind words and a lovely introduction. Thank you, Vasanta, for starting this thing. And yeah, I mean, I don't think so. I need to introduce more because you have said it a lot already. So I just want to know what is your audience wanting to know from me so that I can also serve a bit of my contribution for your audience.
Yes, let us know more about you. What are you doing? How you are helping women? And what's your unique method? We want to know about that unique method, mirror magic method. We are so curious.
Oh wow, thank you. So hi everyone, and I'm Hani Vachani, mirror magic coach. I help women to connect themselves through the mirror. And the moment we build this connection with ourselves and the mirror, something magical happens, and that's why I call it mirror magic method that I use. And if at all you're live, everyone, those who are watching us live, or when you see the recording, if you can grab a mirror and we can do the technique, simple techniques. I show you what I do with my audience or with my paid clients and customers. You will see how this creates a magic. Because what I feel over the years of doing the work with myself and others, that we do not connect to ourselves. We are already doing, we are mother of somebody, daughter of somebody, wife of somebody, partner of somebody, sister of somebody, employee of somebody, employee. That's how we don't feel fulfilled in our life. Even though we achieve many things, but fulfillment doesn't happen because we have lost connection. Now, if we build this connection, and how do we build? We suppose I build connection with Vasanta, I build because I see you, I speak to you, I connect with you, maybe on the chat, maybe now on the live, but with ourselves, how do we connect? So mirror is a best partner you can connect with and then build a relationship and then ask, okay, what do you want? What will make you happy? And what can I do for you? Because we haven't done it for us at all. As far as I know, the women, we have been always giving, 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 and then we become empty and then all the problems arises. So
So
it's
I
how
could
can
relate
we
to
get
this. I could relate to this well, Honey. Uh, I was in such a position that I will not see myself into the mirror at all for so many years. I could feel how magic it was when I looked into my eyes into the mirror. I couldn't stop my tears. So thank you for that empowering thing which you have shared.
right?
So may I know your journey, Honey, how you came into this field and what made you to empower women using your mirror magic method?
Okay, so I think you know it. Every coach, every healer has a personal downfall journey, and so did I. And that's how when we empower ourselves, we want to give it to the world. We cannot keep it to ourselves because we know certain things helped us, it will help others as well. So I was a seventh child in my childhood, like my siblings of eight, and we were a very humble family. And I was born after 6 months of my birth. I got polio, so I have polio in my left leg, and because of that, I had a lot of inferiority complex because people used to tease, and I used to not feel good about it. I used to be secluded, not talking to people, not feeling good about myself, about my life, blaming parents, why didn't they take care, blaming God, what did I do wrong? So the situations were not that great, and then the feelings were all the more bad and sad. So I attracted more bad and sad things. I felt rejected. I feel nobody loves me, and I have to work hard to get little love from my parents, from my siblings, from my friends. So I used to sit at school in the recess and others complete others' work and others used to go and play so that I can get friends with somebody. So it was so difficult as a child, as a teen, also very difficult. But I found, I mean, I was always curious to find what have I done wrong? Why certain people? If the law of karma is there, when did the child do karma? Like why I got it. Why not everybody else? Like what went wrong? All these questions. My parents had no answer, so I looked for spiritual things. I looked for psychology. I looked for philosophy, and went for a lot of courses, a lot of coaching, a lot of spiritual masters, understood lots of universal principles, did a lot of modalities of healing, more than 30, 40, to actually, first of all, to heal myself, to feel okay with who I am and be okay with everybody around so that life becomes better. I understood there is a vibration thing. I need to change my vibration. All these things happen. And then when I started my coaching journey in 2014, I started with self love coaching. So I did Heal Your Life by Louise Hayes training. I became Heal Your Life coach. I started with self love coaching. I understood self love I used to do with the help of mirror. And I thought, okay, this mirror is a powerful technique. People don't have much time. So, of course, journaling is powerful. I help people with journaling as well. Affirmations and gratitudes and all these things, what you are doing already wonderfully well. I do it. But what I realized, people still feel disconnected in the mirror. So when I get people for a call or in my sessions, when they look in the mirror, not more than few seconds, they'll start, okay, my eyes, maybe my lipstick is not that great. Maybe I have to develop a. I just said, don't comment, just look into your mirror. Don't do anything. That is not difficult, impossible. And then I created a course around it, a structure around it. Ki only if I have one tool with me for my life. Whereas we use this tool knowingly and unknowingly by brushing our teeth, by getting ready, we're going, but we are not connecting. And this can be the powerful tool to heal, to release, and to manifest. And the best part to feel connected. You have your partner for your life. Other people will come and go. Your own partner, your own parents, your own children will not be with you forever. But this will be with you forever as long as you're there on this earth. That's how I
Great.
discovered it. Started.
Great, great. So lovely to hear from you, honey. Yes, it's a lifetime partner with us, being ourselves. Yes, so sweet. And I would like to know more about this magical mirror method, how you are using it for your clients, how they are getting empowered, and how they are getting self connected by using this mirror method. I want to know more. My
Right.
audience will also be interested to
Sure.
know that.
Sure, sure. So before I really go into the detail, I say those who are watching this live can get grab a mirror if they have hand mirror, or they can go near the mirror and do what I say so that they can get first hand experience.
Yes.
And also, I just want to know if what I'm talking making sense to the audience. If they can type, okay, honey, with you, it's making sense.
Yes.
And we understand, we also feel connected. I will feel that I'm talking to the audience who are feeling connection to me. And if they have any questions, it will be great that you ask. However simple, however basic, however you feel, should I ask or no? Ask. Only when you ask, it will be given. Otherwise, you'll be without the answer. So, all those who are watching this live, any point of time, you have a doubt, you have a question, you feel, what is it happening? Like, mirror, like what? Thank you. So, just interact so that I know that I'm making sense and you're with me understanding what I'm talking. Thank you, IRK
Thank you.
official. If you can write your name, Blissful Couple Hub. Thank you for for your input of making sense. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes,
Lovely.
ma'am.
Nice
With
journey.
you.
Lovely.
Yes.
So I will suggest and request everyone, including you, Vasanta, if you
Yes, I
can
will get
grab
the
a
mirror.
mirror. Yes.
You please be.
Yeah.
I will be getting my
I'm
mirror.
here. I'm
Okay.
here with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Grihini Lakshmi ji. Thank you, everybody. Mirror with you. Of course, I can't see you, but if you can, you will know what I'm talking. My words made sense. My experiment will make more sense, if at all. Thank you. Vimla Milwani. Hi, Vimla ji. So I'm having my
Yes, I
green tea.
have my mirror with me.
All ready? All ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Saucy. Okay, hi. So now what we're going to do is don't look at the screen, look into your mirror, and out of the entire face, look into your eyes. Only eyes. Don't do anything. Just stare. Don't be like angry, like you're staring like that. Just look into your eyes with love, how much ever possible. Okay? For 1 minute we'll do. Only 1 minute. Your time will start. Let me put a timer. Even I'll do with you, okay? So that I know
Okay.
what's happening. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody. We'll be in silent, but
That's
we're
good.
there with you. Ready.
Yes. Yes. Everyone do this with us.
Last 10 seconds. All right. All right. So everybody write your reactions. What happened when you looked into the mirror? You can use one word, two word, three words, or maybe more. Just write it down. Till then, I'll ask Vasanta what happened to her.
For me, it was giving a kind of feeling that I have to hug myself
Wow.
more.
Wow.
Yes. If I
Okay.
have done this exercise some 10 years before, I will not do that. I will scary, I will feel scary and I will run away. But today I am able to look into her eyes, look into my eyes, and I feel so proud and happy that I have come a long way. So I have to give her a warm hug. Thank you, honey,
Amazing.
for
Amazing.
making me to
Thank
connect
you.
with myself again.
Thank you for working on yourself because that's the only work we have. Working on ourselves. There's no other work left in our to-do list. Working on ourselves and other things get worked on your own.
Sure, sure.
So,
I agree.
okay.
Yes,
Everybody's smiling, loving me. Very good. What else?
yes. Any other who did this exercise, please give us your feelings and experience. We are open to receive your commands. Yes,
Okay. So till yeah, same here. Vivi, I too love myself. Beautiful, Lakshmi ji.
yes.
And okay. So I think the comments will
Yeah,
keep coming. The work takes time. We'll go a little ahead. So I will be. So this was a practical thing, very basic. We don't have to do anything. Just watch and become aware what's happening. Okay.
yeah. True,
I
true.
believe you have amazing community which are already working on themselves because if you're not loving yourself, if you're not working on yourself, these are not the responses we get. These are the people who have already started their journey, and
Yes,
these are the people who do this work on their own, on themselves, and that's why the mirror is reflecting it to them. And
they are giving amazing commands. Suba is
yeah,
saying that she's loving her eyes.
yes.
Yeah.
So
Now,
smiling, felt thankful for having been resilient.
yeah.
Beautiful. I'm so amazed and so proud of each one of the people who are here and who did the exercise with us and who could feel this connection. So this is just a basic one. I'm either terribly tired. I should give my, oh my God. Oh my God. This is
My
beautiful.
eyes
Yeah.
trembling,
So
tired, and should give rest by reducing screen. Yes.
thank you for
So,
sharing. So
uh,
I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing correct. I'll call you Maddie. I think that's much easier for me. Uh, so the mirror is such a powerful tool. It will show you exactly what you need at that particular time. Sometimes it will appreciate you. It will say, "Wow, you've gone so far." Sometimes it will say, "Take a break, have a Kit Kat." take a break and sleep. Okay. Or it might say, you made a mistake. You're not
Yeah.
supposed to do this. It is like your lifetime partner who is not only appreciating and all, but also showing your mistakes. At that time, what do we do? Wow, lovely, my set, and thank you. Wow.
Yes.
So the mirror at different time will be a different role it will play, and that is why it is magical. Our job is to really build a deeper connection. That whatever role it plays, we need to know it is for my highest good. The person in the mirror is my well wisher. It will never demean me. It will only support me, want to see me grow and go further. It
Yes.
will show you your dreams. What is it you want? So suppose you look in the mirror and ask, what is it you want, honey?
Mm.
What do you really want to do? Sometimes we are so rushed up with our working, routines and everything. We don't even take a pause and ask, what is it you really want? What makes you happy? We're just doing the work, and we're not pausing and asking, okay, like take a break. I want this. So the next step would be asking yourself, what is
Yeah.
it you want? And how am I feeling at this moment? If you're feeling sad, go to the mirror and say, are you there for me? And wait for the answers to come. That's how the healing happens.
Yes.
So with the mirror as a partner, you'll be never lonely. And loneliness is so common these days.
Yeah.
People are so damn busy that everybody is feeling lonely.
Yes.
Even if the house,
Yes.
everybody is feeling lonely. So
We have so many friends in social media, WhatsApp, yet we feel loneliness. So, can you ask one thing, Honey, as you are talking about the busyness, the modern world? So, what are the simple ways in which a woman can connect with herself using your mirror magic method in this faster era? We are so busy. Busy is the busyness is the disease, I would always say.
yes.
So
So
tell me some ways.
yeah. So for busy people, it's all the more easier. That is why I created this mirror magic method. Initially, my self-help methods were more of journaling, more of sitting and writing, meditating, and all. And
Mhm.
that takes time. And then busy people like, honey, I just can't do it. I
Ah,
mean, 1 week's work you give, they cannot do it. And they're not their fault because there's so many things to be done and then so many distractions that we have. But mirror is a thing that we definitely, once you're moving out, we do look in the mirror and get ready. And we all have bathroom mirror where we brush our teeth, where we are showering, we are looking into it. So I just say, while doing it, just say, I love you. I'm there for you. Uh, and somebody in the mirror will tell you, wait, can I talk to you if you love me? Then you wait to take for a pause. Or maybe if you're getting late, okay, I'll see you later. Little busy, I'll come in the night and connect to you. So maybe night when you're doing your night routine, you're brushing your teeth, applying your moisturizer, whatever you have in the night routine, you can connect and then list down everything happened in the entire day. When you are talking to yourself in the mirror, you will know, oh, I mean, I did something great today. Otherwise, it goes unnoticed. So I keep suggesting busy people look in the mirror and make a list of things you really appreciate yourself for in a day. Because
ah,
we ignore our wins. We ignore our daily routines, ka chote chote
mm,
wins. I prayed I got this. I just had an amazing cup of coffee with a friend and then we discussed this. It was very nice. Or today my boss appreciated. Or maybe he liked the work what I did. Or maybe my colleague got help from me. Anything.
for me, my friend Honey came as first guest for our interview series. This is my happiness today.
Oh, sweet. And for you, your win is you started your first thing, first session. So you will look in the mirror and say, congratulations, you did
Yes,
it.
I will
You
do
would,
it now.
yeah,
Now itself.
yeah,
Congratulations, Vasanta. You did an amazing job. Thank you,
yes,
Honey.
yeah. And that feels amazing, isn't it? So all of you, just think of some win from morning whenever you got up till 12 or 12:30 that we are on. Anything you felt these are just small win. Make it a habit of celebrating this win in the mirror. So that you have a partner who's celebrating with you. Otherwise, if you tell somebody, हाँ ठीक है ना हो गया ना हमने तो बहुत like की है. I have done a lot of like, I have done a lot of it. Like, people just want to talk about themselves then. You'd say, you know what I did this? I had done this long back. You feel okay. You wanted to share your small win, but people have their own things, and not a fault of anybody because everybody is going through challenges.
Yes.
We need to be kind to them. But before that, you need to be appreciating yourself, be kind to yourself, loving to yourself, so that you are full. And now, when somebody shared their win, you will say, "Wow, you did it! Congratulations!" You will not boast about
Yes.
your thing, what you did. You will wish them good luck.
But one thing, honey, in our social conditioning, we in our setup, mostly we will be taught with giving. We are women. We have to give more. We have to take care of our family, kids, spouse, and elders. So we are being educated in that way, conditioned in that way to give more. So in that case, will it not be self-love is a selfish kind of thing?
So you can say it is selfish, these are just words, but giving is a beautiful act. Only what you give, you will get. Only when we put seed in the soil, we'll get fruits outside. Or maybe somebody has sown the seed, that is why we are having the fruits. So giving is amazing. But I say when you're giving to people, remember you are people too. Give it
Ah,
to yourself too. So when
yeah,
you're
true,
giving to your
true.
daughter, your sister, your mother, you have to give it to you, no, because you're people too. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
just saying to give. I'm not stopping you from giving. But somebody's standing, somebody's waiting, empty. That is why when you look into the mirror, you will know, are you deprived of your own love? Are you deprived of your own needs? In fact, there was a time for me, I didn't even know what I wanted. Forget about giving. I didn't know what I wanted. What will I give? I mean, what will make
Yeah.
me happy? I didn't know. I know my brother likes this, my sister likes this, my teachers like this, my this friend likes this. What do you like? I'm like, oh, I like to help people. Okay. I like to give gifts and feel happy when I see this. I'm like, okay. What do you like? I was clueless. I didn't know what I liked. And now when you ask, I have a list of things that I
Ah,
like and I keep
yeah.
giving it to myself. And my giving outside also has improved much better. Though I was giving a lot earlier also, but with that emptiness, you become
Mm.
you like suppose you don't have any amount in your bank and you keep on buying stuff. So you go into debts. And that will give
Ah,
a pressure because now finally you have to pay back because you didn't have the money, you spent it all. And now you either have to earn or again ask or beg. So it becomes a pressure. Similarly, when you don't have it for yourself, you're not giving, but you're giving. You're empty, you're in minus account. So it's high time you need to fill yourself up. Take a pause. So this person, take it as a separate person, not as you. So when you're giving, mirror में कौन उसको दिया क्या? Did you give her favorite food? Did you give her favorite dress? Did you give her enough rest as you give it to your parents?
ah,
Did you give her time to rest or medicines, whatever they needed? Did you give her the checkup that was waiting so long?
ah.
We want to go for a health routine checkup, but we have been postponing iske baad. So ask in the mirror, did I give it to
Yes,
her?
lovely, lovely. When we are overflowing with love, we will be able to give more love to others. That's what you are
Absolutely.
saying. So fill our cup first. So thank you, honey. And another thing which my audience has already asked me in questions that if any person is suffering from any limiting beliefs or self doubts, will they be able to do this
Of
mirror work?
course, it works magically. It works.
How they can do
All
this?
right.
Already
So
they are with very many self-limiting beliefs, and they have self-doubt, and they may be self-hating also. Many are like that
true,
due
true,
to their
true,
circumstances,
true.
many reasons. So,
Yes.
what would you say for them?
Amazing question. And I think that is much needed because all that is happening in our life, which is not that great, is because of limiting beliefs. If we have expanded belief system, abundant belief system, things will work into place. There will be no limit to our receiving. So, of course, what you do in the mirror, for example, you have a limiting belief about, give me some example, limiting belief about, say, money, which is very
Uh,
common, that I don't have enough. I don't,
mm,
what I earn just gets over. I don't have money to spend on myself. or these are the limiting beliefs.
Yes.
Money comes, money goes easily before it comes. The
Yes.
debts are ready, like you have to pay off the EMIs and everything. Salary comes and it goes within first 5 days of the earning, right? So these are the limiting beliefs. So first of all, you go to the mirror and ask again, look into your eyes and ask, what do I think about money? Okay.
Mm.
What nobody loved me. Thank you for this. I will come to that. So, what do I think about money? It will come to you because deep down, whatever is there will come to you. Note it down. All of them, just write it down. Whatever is said in the mirror about money, note it down, and then take a pen and tick mark. Is it empowering or is it limiting? Empowering means it will make you feel great. You will feel
Mm.
wow. Your body will show you. Limiting means you'll not feel that great. You'll feel sad. You'll feel constricted. So tick those are empowering, cross those are limiting. And now limiting beliefs, you will create an affirmation. I believe you all know how to create affirmation. They need to be positive, they need to be present tense, they need to have beautiful emotion and powerful energy, and then repeat them in the mirror to make it 10 times powerful. See, when you do
Mm.
affirmation without mirror, suppose it has one power. When you do same affirmation in the mirror, looking in the mirror, you'll have 10x power. So instead of doing
Wow.
100 affirmation, you do 10 times, 100 count ho gaya. So that becomes
Oh.
powerful. Okay. So suppose there is not enough money. That is a limiting belief. You write an affirmation, there's abundance of money. And keep saying, there's abundance of money for me. I always have lots of money. There is so much money. Whenever I need it, there is money. Okay. You look into the mirror. Now, in the mirror, what happens? Why it works faster? You need to ask me why in the mirror faster? Why without mirror not that great? Because in the mirror, the reflection will show you, क्या फेंक रही है? This is not true. Where is the money? You
Ah.
will know
Ah.
what is happening inside you. You will catch the inner thought. So that affirmation and inner thought, when they are in alignment, they will manifest. If your inner one does not believe, and outside you're
Mm.
affirming, and say, my affirmation don't work. Because
Yeah.
you're not aligned. In the mirror, it will show whether you're aligned or not.
Ah. Great. Great.
Right? Thank
Yes.
you. Blissful couple is sweetheart, huh? Yeah. So, so that is what I shared. Why? And then when the mirror says, "Ki no, it's not true," ask in the mirror, what will make it true? Give the
Mm.
reason
Mm.
to make it true. So there is a continuous kind of a therapy kind of a thing happening in the mirror. So
Mm.
it's a practice. You need to know what is the next prompt to be given, what is the
Yes.
next thing to be given to get the best output. So everybody's in AI, we know how to give best G2P se करवाना है. Same thing, how to get the best prompt given in the mirror so that you get the best out of it. Yeah.
Yes. So we have to have a friendly conversation with ourselves using mirror so that it will give you many answers.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
yes, one question is that
Yeah, so
how
how to
to
align?
get aligned.
Yeah. So how to align is a key to manifest everything. Once you are aligned, pick with time pass, then there's no effort. Effort is just to align. So once you are set into the radio frequency which you want, done. Effort is to reach there. So that is the power of Mirror Couple. During the course, I take 12-week sessions and maybe more like diamond membership, silver membership, where I teach exactly how to align. For your audience, let me give a small tip because it will be not really justifiable to tell in 2-3 lines. It's a deeper
Mhm.
process, right? So what do you do? So I'll just give you example. I'm just trying to make it much simpler so that you can start working now and bring in your alignment. Okay, so suppose you say I'm not lovable. There was one question. Nobody loves me. Let me take nobody loves me. Okay, so the limiting belief is nobody loves me. You go in the mirror and say I love you and stop. Okay. And see, does the inner person or the person in the mirror believes it? Okay. Best part, you can call this inner person as something as your childhood name.
Ah.
Gudiya, Chintu, Meenu. Like I was Meena, so Meenu I was called. Or like that is
Kutti.
basically your inner child.
Yes.
Okay. So the inner child was conditioned so much with the limiting beliefs from the parents, from the grandparents, or the school, or the neighbors, or the system or education that it constrained. It did not have the power to say
Mhm.
no to all those limiting beliefs. It believed that this is true, and we grew as age or the size or whatever, but the inner child remained where it was. So mirror work helps us to heal the inner child also. And that's how we are in alignment. So when you say I love you, you're telling I love you to the inner child who is feeling unloved and who is not feeling valued or appreciated or something. So when you look into the mirror and say I love you and wait, just wait for the feedback. Does the child feel loved? Or does the child feel connected? Or does the child feel, where were you all these years? You did not tell me I love you so many years. I don't believe you. What's happening? That is how you are going to build up. So suppose it says, I don't believe you. Example. If it believes you, you're aligned already. There is love. You're showing love, it expresses, it accepts it. So there is alignment, then you go to the next step and everything. What can I make you, what can I do to make you feel more loved or something like that? You can. But if at all the child or the person in the mirror, Meenu, for example, for me, is not feeling love, is like feeling she's just a liar. She is not loving me. She's just lying. So you will listen that, okay? The mirror will tell you. So what you do is you can say, I'm sorry. I have just learned to connect to you. Please forgive me. Thank you for waiting for me patiently. So Ho'oponopono in the mirror is next level. It's
So,
next level. Okay? Whatever is there. And then see, can you be willing to believe that I love you? Can you give me a chance to show my love to you? So that's how you are building this connection. Okay, tell me, what can I do to make you feel loved? What will make you feel?
wow.
And the person in the mirror will guide you. Okay. Okay. Take rest or give me some chocolate or just talk to me daily. Anything. It can be as crazy as just go to sleep. It could be anything. So, and
Yeah.
when the person says in the mirror, do this, you need to do it to show that you love.
Ah,
Otherwise, you'll not keep your words.
ah,
Alignment will not happen. So, this is how first you align to yourself. First, create that bond of love and trust that I am there for you always, no matter what. I'm there for you. And then everything else works. I hope I answered. I mean, let me know if that made
yes.
sense,
They
everybody.
are saying amazing. Inner child healing.
Pizza. Oh, you want
I need
pizza?
a pizza.
I sure tried today my Frankie amazing pizza because even my inner child wanted that today.
Yes.
Something else.
You are expressing it in a very sweet way, honey. You have demonstrated it, how to do that. So we are loving it. We know it's just that we have to say to mirror and we have to say affirmation to the mirror. We have heard from so many places, but you have really demonstrated us how to do that, how to be so sweet, how to be smiling, how to look into the eyes of us. So great, great, great. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much.
For
A
receiving.
bulb on
Um,
moment. They are saying that a bulb on moment. How to love ourselves. Super. So,
any other questions you have or anything? Because I
yes,
think the depth is the more deeper you go, the more pearls and diamonds you'll explore about this power that it has. It might be little painful in the beginning if you're not used to. It might be challenging. It might show some truths which are not very wow. And and that is the time you need to show more love to yourself and not less.
yes,
It will
yes. True,
show
true.
you the truth also. Okay, maybe our mistakes, our
Yeah.
negative
Our
shades,
class, our,
and because we all are combination of all. We all love to feel great things about us. We show that people appreciate people, no, but then we show that. But there are some darker shades that we have. Mirror will show. It
yeah,
will show.
true, true.
That is the time you need to love yourself more. Even though I feel I'm selfish, I love you.
Yeah.
You need to
The
say,
question is that
yeah,
how about attracting love from others
from
while looking into the mirror?
first of all, be very convinced that I'm loving and lovable and all life loves me. I keep saying this affirmation. I've kept saying this for past 10, 20 years. I don't know. Since I understood affirmation, I'm loving and lovable and all life loves me. And believe me, every day, minimum 5 to 10 people tell me I love you. Known, unknown. Okay? There are
Mhm.
unknown and initially, when I was a teen, if somebody said I love you or something, I would never believe. I would believe they have some selfish motive. They want to get work done from me or something like that. What is there in me to love? How can they love me? They're lying, you know. And I used to stay away from those people.
Oh,
And now, when the stranger says, I receive with love and grace, whether anybody, I receive with grace and all. And definitely, the love flows from all direction because now you are embodiment of love. You know, it's not. And then you say, I am love. I mean, I've
ah,
been a person. I am love. I am joy. I'm not lovable. I'm not loving. That's the next level. We can go step by step. So if you want a love from particular person, if at all you are
mhm.
looking for that, first of all, you love yourself completely and love that person because what you give will come back to you. Love and express your love so that the other person should know that you love her or him. I mean, I don't know who is this. So when you express your love, and if it comes back to you, wow, it doesn't, it's okay. You are anyhow filled with love. Normally it
Ah,
comes back. Normally it comes back. Because you're radiating that love, and love will only attract love. There is no chance that love frequency will not attract hate.
yes,
It will not attract love.
law of
Even if
attraction,
somebody,
like attracts like. Ah,
yeah. So you can also visualize that the person in the mirror is saying I love you, you in the mirror is saying I love you, and then going out and doing what you want to do outside. So, but then
so I
first step
openly
starts
say,
with yourself.
we love you.
Yeah.
We love you so
Oh,
much.
sweet. Thank you. I receive with grace. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
So, uh, can you share any transformational stories, success stories from your community who have used this mirror magic to various aspects of life? There are various aspects of life, relationship issue or personal growth issue or money issue. There are so many different aspects of life. Can you share any success stories from your community to give us more motivation and encouragement?
Thank you. Okay, thank you for that. I love you. Of course, there are every story is my success story. There is no failure, 100% success result. Okay, so it is, I cannot say ki isko was for if you work, it works. That's the only thing I say. If you work in the mirror, it will work. It is waiting for you to connect. So there's all of them are success. If you look at me, my story itself is a success, grand success story. And each one of us, so there was one lady around 65 years old or 63 maybe, officer, retired officer, and but then no power. She was earning quite good.
Mm,
Government, central government, it was very good. This thing, uh, work wise, money wise, everything was good. Looks wise, she was pretty and this thing, but she had no courage to speak out to her husband anything. He used to abuse her and all those things. She had developed cancer because of suppressing so much. Because she didn't know that she was allowed to speak, or she didn't know she was allowed to put her step forward and say, this is not done. And because that is how we were taught, you know, like 60s, we
yeah,
imagine that time. So specifically, like all girls were taught to be giving and don't open your mouth, do whatever your husband says, do whatever your in-laws say,
yeah.
whether it's justice, injustice. Oh my God. So
Ah,
she happened to join my sessions. And the first step, I told her, look it in the mirror and say, I love, okay, mirror, I love you what? I said, just try. It was difficult as usual with everyone in the beginning. It's difficult. Everyone, including myself, it was difficult. But later on, I told her every week after week, this is the work. Only this sentence you say and note it on what's happening. Because that is more important. If you are not aware what's happening, it will not go deeper. You need to become aware that this is happening to me. It accepted this part, it rejected this part, it was neutral at this part. So that we can go deeper at whichever part. So doing this mirror work, I gave her other tools and techniques also, but mirror was the main thing. And she said, honey, you've given me God. I said, what? Well, I can feel connection. I can smile. I can sing songs in the mirror. I can feel like she dressed up and she got ready. Like husband, jo bhi bol raha, bol le. No, she was doing what she has to do. She said, I found myself. I
so
was
sweet.
lost. I did not feel that I existed. And that is such a sad thing for a female. Like she does for everything for everyone, but she does not exist for.
Mm,
She's just available for getting the work done. but she's not existing for her own needs and desires. And I love it. I was into tears to see her results. I mean, and there
Super.
are every story is so touchy because everybody finds them in the mirror so beautifully well.
Great. Great. It's so lovely to hear this, honey. You made her to be seen. You made her to see her own self. So it's such a wonderful job which you are doing. So may God bless you with more love and more abundance. Thank you. Thank you. So
And I
if you want to give any simple or hacks for for our women in this modern world, women, if you would like to give any vision or any hack, what would you say?
So my message is very, very simple, and my mission and the vision is very, very big. I shouldn't say big. With universe on our side, everything is possible. So my vision and the mission is to bring golden age inside first, and outside will happen. So my job is to bring that inner transformation, which makes you peaceful, joyful, loving with your own self. What we're doing is we are just having this empty bowl and asking, "Do you love me? Do you love me? Fill my cup." Untold words, you know. But I want ourselves to be experiencing this love, joy, peace, freedom from inside, which will then radiate it outside. It's like I always say, "ये अंदर की बात है." So one message, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, it's just perfect. Invest time in yourself, invest energy in yourself. You are worthy of your own time, money, energy. Spend it on yourself to build that connection. And don't think much about, when I started this journey, coaching and everything was expensive even then. And I wanted to come out of this misery that I was going through. There was something in a calling ki bus ho gaya. I can't be just. I mean, not that I didn't like people, I loved them all. I wanted to give them, but I had nothing to give. I was so exhausted and so empty. So I had to do it. I didn't have money, but somehow I had 5,000. My coaching cost me around 1.5 lakh. I just called the coach. I said, I want to enroll. I don't have money, but I want to. She said, okay. Just affirm and declare to the universe, pay your deposit. I just empty my bank, 5,000 I paid her. The coaching was supposed to start 2 months later or something. And somehow I am still clueless how did that money come. It came, I paid, and there was no looking back after that. And
Wow.
then the transformation kept happening, and suddenly I become a coach. I never knew in my life that I will be a coach. Forget coach, I will create something. Absolutely no clue. Because now you're in alignment, you are into, you're saving your energy. The downloading happens. That
Yeah.
you get the messages because now you're open to receive. There's no clutter inside. You receive, and it's for your good and for the you receive only when it is good for everybody. Otherwise,
Yeah.
divine will not give it to you. Only when you're
Oh,
ready
wow.
and
Wow.
you want to give,
Amazing.
it will
Wow.
be there. So the
So
message is just
amazing.
invest in
Wow. To
yourself.
hear. Super, honey. Super. Ladies and friends and women who are watching this, please note all these in your diaries. So invest in yourself, invest in your happiness, invest time and money and effort to yourself. You will not be having any failure in your life. You will be attracting joy, happiness, peace, everything which you want in your life.
Absolutely.
So happy to hear all those golden nuggets from you, honey. So is there
Because
any other questions?
yeah.
Do you have any questions for Honey? She's very happy to answer your queries.
And remember, we are the most bestest assets that we can have. Not our gold, our diamond, our cars, our house, or partner, or children. We are our most asset, what we say, expensive or precious asset that we are.
Yes,
Invest in.
true, true.
That
We are
is
our
so.
own precious diamond lives.
Yes.
Thank you. So is
So,
there any
yeah,
queries?
yeah. People, any query or you want to share anything you learned because I want to know what are you picking up from our session today, our conversation. Did you take even this small thing my job is done to reach out to few more people
Yes.
and to help them connect to themselves. Even if this much, I'm grateful.
How to make kids feel loved in school.
Everything start. Do the kids feel loved at home? Do the kids feel loved by to themselves in the mirror? If they are feeling proud and happy about themselves in the mirror, they radiate that energy. They will be loved. You don't have to do any extra effort. So just tell them to do mirror work. Tell them ki whatever the name is. For example, your child's name is Honey. Honey, you're awesome. You're doing great. You're sweet. You're kind. You're loving. You're joyful. You love people. People love you back. Tell them to do in the mirror, and that will be programmed in their brain, and that vibration will go, and suddenly people will love them. So I didn't do anything outside, nothing. I have only worked on myself all these years, and suddenly people are showing up love wherever I go. I just went for spiritual journey last 2 days back, for my Chennai. I had to go all across. People are just coming and radiating that love and joy. Even the neighbor sitting, unknown people, they want to ask what you do. Like, it's not that your actions or your words will say something. They do matter. What matters is how much you believe that you're loving and lovable and all life loves you. So that is the thing. Okay, thank you, thank you,
Thank
thank
you. Thank
you. I need to
you,
sharing,
Hanini.
I need to make life sweet. Oh, Puna with Mira. Amazing. Thank you for liking. Mira is my best friend, man. Till now, I'm not using a line. Please get a line. You will go deeper. If it is your best friend, it will take you deep. Don't worry. Keep doing it. Things will work.
Yes.
How to deal
One
with
one question
self-doubt,
is that,
imposter
Hani.
syndrome. Sorry.
One Lata has asked a question. If I have a self-doubt and imposter syndrome, how to get out of that with the self-love using mirror?
Beautiful question. That imposter syndrome is to like apna bhai. I feel so much sometimes. Okay, so whatever you're doubting with, definitely you'll go in the mirror, check what are your doubts, and I accept them. Okay, the moment you resist, it will persist. The moment you accept it, it will melt away. That is one law. Okay, you need to accept whatever is there. The doubt is there. Okay, so even though I feel doubtful about dash dash dash, even though I'm not confident to come on the screen live,
Hmm.
that was once upon a time my doubt. I did not know how to start FB live because I've been doing FB live daily. I used to do it, in COVID, and that's how I started my online journey. Whether people are watching, not watching, I'll go as if there are thousands of people watching. I mean, I was of course trained by the other coaches also. So, so what you'll do in the mirror, even though I'm feeling this, I totally, completely love and accept myself now. Okay. So accept it and love it. And then do the affirmation once you're fine with it. So suppose you're doubtful about, like, I'm worried, I'm fearful about coming on screen. So you say, I'm confident to come on screen. Because now you showed love. You told that inner child, even though you're feeling doubtful, not confident, I love you. Don't worry.
Ah,
So the moment you hug little child, beta, it's okay. I love you. Even if you made a mistake, even if you could not do it, I love you. The child feels, ठीक है, mistake करना is okay. I can try
ah,
one more time. Then you do your affirmation. I'm confident in the mirror. I can. Are you getting it? Did I make sense to you? Will you do it?
yeah.
Yeah. Let me know how was it so that I know. Your inner world is a reflection of your outer. Your inner world is reflected out in the world. Absolutely, absolutely. This is one teaching I took from my Amma Bhagwan. First, your external world is reflection of your inner world. Anything you want to change outside, change inside. You want love from outside, give love to inside. You want joy outside, give joy to yourself. You want respect outside, give respect to yourself. Yeah.
So
You want
you,
money from others, give money to yourself. You deserve your own money. Whatever else, you do it to yourself, world will do it to you. That's all. You need to have your own respecting boundaries or whatever. If no means no, yes means yes, people will know your energy and they will respond accordingly. Well,
great, great.
one question, is it okay if I post a practical doubt? Hope I'm not taking your time. Okay, so we'll take a last. Was the first thing clear? Yeah, I think it is. Or you can ask because you're so sweet. You can go ahead. Long question. How will you type? Did you start typing or you're taking time to type?
Or shall we get her into the live if possible.
I don't know. You can. I mean,
Yes.
you can. Okay. Can you come in the live? I mean,
Lata,
depends.
can you come in the live and ask the question? I'll try. Already request has been sent by many people. Let me try whether Lata could join.
Also, so my
Yes,
Mirror Magic workshop is coming free, or maybe 51 rupees. If at all you're interested,
Lata,
just
I
join
have
in.
sent the request to you. If possible, join in the live and ask your question. I have typed no issues. Okay.
Ah,
Ah,
I got it. I got
yes.
it. ठीक है. Okay, so you're fluent and confident in front of a screen, etc. But when it comes to taking up coaching, I'm afraid I'm not getting free flow. So over here, it can be one thing about the skills that we need. See, along with that confidence that we can have, you need to be skilled. You know, how much ever I say, um, I can confidently come on the screen and share. But I need to know how to log in. I need to develop the screen, how to place my camera, how much light to have. That thing we need to develop. Coaching is actually not only skill based, skills we need to know, the practical tips we need to know. This main important thing, because we don't know what is the client going to ask us. We don't know what is the client going through. You must be prepared with this thing, but the client might come up with a other thing. Correct? So in this case, my second pillar, I have only two major pillar in my life, which I teach, which I follow, and which I believe in. One thing is self love, second is divine alignment. Okay. If you are connected to your divine, so before every coaching session, before even this session, I just pray, let the best happen, let the best person get the answer. God, you flow through me. And then I'm not there. I'm never worried about who's asking, what is asking. God is answering through me. That's it. So you need to build this connection with your divine. As you put it in the mirror, you have a mirror, say self love connection with your divine. If you have a mandir, if you believe in idol, there was once upon a time I never believed in the Murti because I thought God is everywhere, so why Murti? I had all these questions, typical question, but now I have Murti because I know I can connect to the form better than the energy. Okay, energy is about where do I talk?
Ah,
I don't understand. So I have a beautiful mandir where I go and sit, I pray, light a diya, do my aarti, and I meditate there. So that's my sacred space. Any questions, any doubt, God, what do you want me to do for this? Are you flowing through me? So I get certain vibration, I'll get uh, certain feelings. Sometimes I feel heavy, so I know there is some disconnection. But I'm not feeling connection with you today. What is it? I have this conversation with my divine, and that's how the alignment builds up. Because there are two people in the world who do not judge you. God to definitely does not judge you. Second, you should be never judging yourself.
yeah. I love these
Non-judgment in
balloons.
love and acceptance is everything under this faith. If you know you are loved and accepted, you will not lie, you will not be worried, you will not be fearful because there's no punishment. So your God, how are you maintaining relationship with God? So I have another entire course on create a divine alignment, how to create a bond with your God. All these things are there in my courses when, if at all you want to join. But I'll tell you simple thing, have conversation because बातों से ही बातें बनती है, if you understand Hindi. So when you talk, the relation is built up. When you don't talk, don't converse. So, outer sight, out of mind. You don't talk. You say hello after a year. Sorry, who's this? But you're talking daily. God will know, okay. So if you can build your alignment with your divine and surrender to the process when you go for coaching session, you have prepared yourself. I'm not saying don't prepare, just go like that. You prepare whatever else is there. You find out what the coachee wants. But then divine you flow through me. That prayer I always do. Let the highest come from this session for my client and myself and everybody around her. So when we're talking about the coaching a client, you're not only coaching because of her, all the family, all these people are related will be impacted, whatever you do to her or him. So I always look for it ki it is for highest good of everybody involved.
Yes, true,
That
true,
is my
true.
prayer, and then surrender. God will take over. Have that faith and belief. If at all
Thank
this
you.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Lata, hope you might have found this answer helpful. Yes, honey, give my audience and any other women who are watching this live after this session, if they want to connect with you, tell me more about what are the ways which they can connect with you,
So my
how they
page,
can get.
thank you. So you can connect Honey Vachani on Instagram, honey_Vachani. You'll find it out. My YouTube channel is Being Harmony. Again, if you find Honey Vachani, you will find a YouTube channel. My WhatsApp group will be amazing because I share amazing content there also. And my webinar workshop, if you can join, or if it become a silver membership, if you can take it, you will be meeting me personally twice a week. And if you take diamond, you'll meet me thrice a week and one-to-one session. So there's a lot to be given. How much ever you're ready to receive, there is a flow. So you can connect to me everywhere. Yeah.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so much, Honey, for being our guest. Any other thing which you want to say to our audience or to me?
I think I have said enough. Even if you follow one simple tip, any one thing. So even if you go for a session of an hour or two, a full day, or you read a full book, from each book I know only one thing which I picked up, and that has changed a lot for me. You need not
Yeah.
pick up everything. अरे वो क्या था रे ये क्या था. That one thing which you're ready for, ready to transform, and you have picked up. Time vasool, paisa vasool, whatever else is vasool.
Super,
So
super.
whatever else you've taken, share with us in the comments when the videos uploaded again. What did you pick up? What was your takeaway so that we know what are people picking up? And do I need to simplify more or do I need to slow down more? Just give me the feedback so that I can be
Yes,
reaching out to people for
yes.
whatever. So I'm looking for that.
People who are watching this live, after this live is posted in our feed, take a screenshot of this and you share in your stories, tagging myself and Honey Vachani. What are the 3 key takeaways or what are the bulb-on moments you got from this session, so that we will be able to know and we will be also able to give more of these kind of sessions. We will plan and we will collaborate and we can do more such sessions. So hope you all will do that.
Yes.
So to end with Honey, give us a simple mantra, one line mantra, which we can practice to the mirror every day.
I
One
love you.
simple mantra for all of us.
I love you in the mirror daily. आते जाते सोते जागते उठते बैठते just say I love you. That's it.
That's all. That's enough for everything.
Yes.
We are
Yeah.
done
Yeah.
with that.
Thank
I love
you.
you.
I love you.
Yes. So
Just say
thank
that
you
and
so
believe that
much,
you do.
Honey.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your time and your valuable self-love tips. And we really enjoyed talking with you and interviewing you. It's not like an interview. It's like a friend, two
Yes.
friends are talking with each other.
Yes.
Yes, it was such a way, and I am so happy and blessed to have you as my first guest in this Unstoppable Sakti series.
Beautiful.
So thank you so much, honey.
Thank
More
you.
abundance and more love to you. Let us find another time to collaborate in another session.
For
Thank you so much, dear.
More love and power to you. May all your sessions be filled with lots of value and empowerment for all your tribe. God bless you and God bless your tribe. Take care.
Thank you,
Namaste.
dear. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Thank you, everybody, for being such beautiful audience, for responding back, asking questions so that the live became more lively just because of you. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, I'm loved and lovable. I'm loved and lovable. Amazing. Keep affirming this
Yes.
and putting it down. This is amazing affirmation. You'll never feel unloved if you keep affirming this.
Yes.
All
Thanks for
right.
sharing that.
Yeah.
I am loved
Thank
and lovable.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
See you. Thank you, honey.
Priya
Bye.
VV ma'am. I don't know VV ma'am क्या होता है? Thank you VV ma'am.
Vivi, myself, Vasanta Vivek
अच्छा
is,
you are VV ma'am.
yeah,
थोड़ा सा thank you
yeah.
ma'am.
In
Okay
my,
okay.
my friends and all other people call me as Vivi only.
Oh, I'll call
Yes.
you VV then. I was
Yes.
like, what is VV? Okay, thank you. Chalo.
Yeah, it
God
makes
bless
us so
you.
much closer. So thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Everyone is
darling.
pouring. Thank you. Thank you.
Ali?
Love you.
Ali?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you,
Bye.
darling.
Take care.
Bye. All the best.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. So as said, எல்லாரும் இந்த செஷன் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So please post your key takeaways and Balban moments from this session into your Instagram stories, tagging myself and Hani Vachani. So really, we are blessed to have you as our audience today and hope you have loved this session very much. And keep watching my Insta stories and my post. Or you please follow myself at Vivek Vasanta. So we are going to bring so many empowered women into this Unstoppable Shaktis interview series. So hope to see you next week with another amazing empowered Shakti. Until then, stay happy, stay mindful. Bye. See you. Take care.